But at this stage, and as I said, so I left my points in between. So among different points, and I think that another good thing which I feel, I have seen growing up Rachit in all the regards, scientifically, also in that personally as a family level. So I remember, and there were several occasions where I got little bit annoyed with Rachit, and one of those occasions was when he got married with Shelly, and he kept calling me from somewhere that, sir, I'm getting married. And that's what? But anyway, they're a lovely couple, and he met Shelly here in Ikrisat, and Shelly has been a great supporter of Rachit for all these things. So Rachit is credit for all this good work and these things is not to you only, to Shelly also. So we would like to avail this opportunity to thank Shelly and also her family, both kids. Thank you very much, Shelly, for all your support to Rachit in all these times or so. And because if we are not happy at our family level or something, this also affects the work. So I think that we, all of us, should be thankful to our families and of course our colleagues, because all these things are together. So this is the dynamics. Rachit, you should also learn photography. You should teach him that, and every day you should give him a camera, and you should come in the nice dresses, take this photo, take that photo, and then you will approve. So you should do that one.
I'll start you.
You will start to do that one. And many of us cannot, and I used to tell even to Anu and Manjana or something, कि आप अपनी watch को अब तो change कर दिया है. You can match 12 o'clock time or morning time 8 o'clock to come to office with his coming. That if he is arrived to office, this means that in your watch you should set 8 o'clock. If he is going for the lunch, this means 12 p.m. Otherwise, many of us are so lazy that we keep on coming at any time, going any time or so, but he is very punctual for doing things. So I think this is also very important, and he also does not believe in this gossiping nonsense thing. I think many of us enjoyed gossiping, but then he is always sometimes, and I say, well, but you just come for your work and then disappear, so you should also come sometimes. I think these are many good things also, and I think, as I said, so from that being young boy, now very happily married person and with father of 2 kids, having his own house, now having his own things. So I think these things, I'm not very old man, but I think these things also give me a lot of satisfaction that जो लोग हमारे साथ काम करते हैं, when we see them doing like this thing, so this is really good. So we would like to congratulate you for everything, Rachit, for all these things. Science-wise, I think you will keep on doing excel, and you will keep on excelling in all the thing, because my professor P.K. Gupta used to tell that those people who are good at one place or in one crop or in one area, they will always excel. You just leave them any place. So they say that even Sachin Tendulkar used to play the football, he would have excelled in the football also, not only the cricket. So I think those kind of things. So you have been doing a great job, and I'm sure that Gujarat Biotechnology University will feel proud of you. And especially now you are having more challenges, that you will be setting the department, group, etc. So, but all of our support from Ikrisat, and as all of you know, that I will be moving to Murdoch in February. So even from there, we will keep on helping our all colleagues who are here. They will continue to extend the full support to you. So sometimes this is the thing, and as I said that, and he also mentioned, but now, well, now many people already left. But as he said that, when I was young, and I always think why I did all these things, because I also don't enjoy scolding people, talking this thing. But maybe if we wouldn't have done that one, we wouldn't have reached here. So, and sometimes people say that, well, why these Rachit, Mahendra, Manish or Manishes or Hema or many other people, including Rakesh, although Rakesh did not work with me directly, but even Prasad or so, Anu. So they have been so successful, and then on the other day we analyzed this data. What we analyzed, that all these people, they have gone through the rigorous phases, and we have provided opportunity to many people. So when the PhD student joined, after PhD, either they got some good job or we send them out. If they were good, we retained them, we put them in the visiting scientist. If they were excelling, we put them in the special project scientist. If they excel there, we made them scientists. So as a result, unlike at other places, so all these guys, they have gone through all these different phases, and as a result, we can see that how many results or how much success or how many achievements we have delivered. And I always say, and this is to all of you, including the PhD student and all the scientists. So we have not achieved just the knowledge generation or publications, which is one of the important things. We have shown to the whole world that how to apply these things, product development. We have shown how we can generate the knowledge and then do the capacity building. So our impact is not just that people say, oh, you have published the paper. Yes, that's also very important, but not only paper, but we have done. And this has happened because of only hard work and not one person, two persons, but with the collaborative efforts of everybody. So some of you, those young people, especially like Sejal or so, they still think that I'm a tough guy. But just listen to these people that how tough I was. And yeah, so they remember that this.
They don't know. They have not seen that.
They have never seen that time.
I think they should also not see.
Then they will not, many of them will not stay.
And this was a similar kind of thing happened even with Abhishek Vohra.
Yeah.
So Abhishek Vohra, and one day he was setting up, and I remember that in the PCR area, and I lost my temper, and he committed some stupid mistake, and then I told him, what is this and this? And he broke down on that day. And he cried, and he says, I'm leaving. And then he packed up his stuff or something, and then I thought, well, what is going on? But he was a good boy at that time also. Eh? Then I said, okay, let's sit together. And then he came to my office, and then I told that what happened or so. And he told that, well, my background is plant breeding, and you expect me to do all these things in genomics and this, so I will learn. But I said, in fact, I wanted to have, and this I think one of the other thing, we would, and this is one of the secret of our success as well, that our colleagues, so we were having the colleagues from the different backgrounds, some expert in genomics, some expert in breeding, some in molecular biology. Anu, person like Anu, they had got the experience from the private sector, bringing those service component and knowledge discipline. So I think that the good thing, in my opinion, which we did, we brought the people from the different thing. And then he told, but I was very happy with this artwork. Maybe I might have talked to you also that what we should do, but then I think this was another mistake which I did not commit. And so I remember several mistakes, that some mistakes I committed. I am proud of them. Some mistakes I did not commit, and I'm proud of them. One of them that continuing with Rachit, not sending Abhishek Vohra to his place. And Manish Rulkiwal के साथ भी ऐसी mistake हुआ था
एक बार I was told to go.
ये अपना अमिताभ बच्चन वाले स्टाइल में I told something. He said I will resign. I said resign. And then he resigned. And then during this time, yeah. So Anu is like, as they say, उसका था prime minister by accident kind of thing. And then we got research associate position free. We advertised that position. Anu chitki came in that position. And then Manish realized at later stage that probably that was mistake. Then we discussed. But Manish think this resignation played in his favor. So he was a research associate at that time point. And then I gave, because at that time, I think this was 2-3 months, I was in Mexico, probably I called you from there.
UC Davis you went.
UC Davis, so I called you from there. And then I told that one, and we got one project at that time point. And then I told that one, we got a project, we have a possibility for having you as a special project scientist. He saw, wow, that he's going directly from RA to special project scientist. So then we kept him. So I don't know that any mistake in your case, Prasad. I don't remember Anu in your case. Manish, तुम्हारे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ
ऐसा नहीं था कि leaving all this. We never reached to that stage.
Yeah.
It was just a
मैंने
decision.
तो स्टार्ट ही वहाँ से किया था। पांडे ट्रेन हो गया उसके बाद आ गया तो वहाँ पे
ट्रेन हो गया था, so
ट्रेनिंग स्टॉप हो गया इतना हाल है।
No, Pandey, Manish Pandey. Let Manish. Today is not Manish Pandey's farewell, neither mine. But so Manish Pandey is a smart boy, like many of you, but he's more smart probably in these things. And I always remember even how he managed his PhD supervisor. That's also interesting. And when I joined it, he said he knew me from the previous time when I was in Germany. I visited Allahabad in 2003 or so. When I joined in 2005, he started to talk to me and he said that I want to do PhD with you. He always told me that 2005, 2006, I said that Manish, in which year you are, what you are doing. He told that I am doing this 2 years, 3 years PhD. I said, you are a good boy. And I was very impressed with his work, what he used to do. Then I told. So then I promised to him that, and I always would like to help people's career instead of damaging their career. That one, instead of that you come here, you waste those years again, you finish your PhD, and I will ensure that you will come to me. And then as soon as I think before submission of your PhD,
Before submission.
before submission of the PhD, then I hired him as a visiting scientist. RA. Initially. Yeah, so that, but at that time point, I think I had a lot of flexibility, also lots of support from the higher ups, and I think all of you guys are from that time that I will just interview and say, okay, come in, and you do not need to go through these different things. So I think, but anyway, so those are those stages, but I will miss those days, maybe after 1 or 2 months when I will be moved. So yeah, I don't want to be sentimental again. So thank you very much. Let's thank once again not to Rachit Gandhi and congratulate, and we wish you both of you all the best for a successful career life in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is a nice place. I have been to Ahmedabad several times, but like look forward to visit you sometimes. And you guys also should visit sometimes Perth, because this is official now. I will be in Perth, and Perth is also a beautiful city.
Peaceful.
You have not been to Perth.
हम लोग
He's gone.
He has gone. In the drought, man.
2013.
हाँ,
In the drought, man.
Yes, yes.
And you have been to Perth 2-3 times, or only one time?
2-3 times.
2-3 times.
3 times.
You did not. So those of you who have not come, please join.
It doesn't mean I cannot come.
बाकी तो डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट होगी।
दुबई से
तो इनको तो बेचारा 2 लेना पड़ेगा। तुम तो डायरेक्ट आएगा।
But I come.
अंजय, take nice picture now once again, हाँ?
1 minute. Thank you, Rajiv.
अरे पिक्चर तो लेना, पिक्चर में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Rajiv complete किया क्या?
और रचित ने भी कंप्लीट नहीं किया था। I'm sorry.
Which में आ गए?
Okay, रचित please continue. तो पिक्चर तो ले ले बेटा, पिक्चर में क्या प्रॉब्लम? पिक्चर तो बोलो sorry, I didn't realize.
You told about down the past, about cricket is
भैया पिक्चर देखो, हाँ, सब लोग आ जाओ। नहीं आप भी आ जाओ, लोग आ जाओ।
और क्या
मनीष आ जाओ। सोच लिया अच्छा, तो बोलना शुरू करो जो है।
चले यार
हंसना है तुम्हें।
पहले बोला कैच ले, अब बहुत देर हो गया
खाली उसे बोलती रहती है फोटो का पास आया था, वो कहता है तो वो नहीं आता तो आप ही चली जाते हो। But you don't provide space to anyone else, जिससे उसमें आ जाए तो खुद ही भाग जाओ उसका। उसके बाद सैली सैली
Yeah, but there are many things. I mean, so this is what I was telling in the beginning. It's not the speech in which I can, compile or I can, summarize everything. Though, as you mentioned, that I always prefer to write less. But here I don't want to be in the less side. I really want it to be, on the higher side. Following Pandey. He used to tell me that there are two extremes. Manish Pandey, if you give him one line, he will make it one page.
And then I have to cut that one.
And
इसको करके इसको बढ़ाना पड़ता है, कैसे बढ़ाऊं?
if he gives me one page, I'll make it 2 or 3 lines.
I say, well, at least one paragraph kind of thing from both of you.
So similar applies to here. I mean, there are many things and nice memories, and I'm really feeling privileged and lucky to be at this place, and especially with my mentors and the Rajiv sir and KV sir. And later stage when we started growing, because those were the times when we were also sharing together as a friend, as a group, many things. Not just as a mentor or as a supervisor. We started, developing our relation as the friends. And this is one of the quality which I always try to cultivate in myself. Rather than, saying you are my subordinate or you are my student or I am your student, it's always good to have the friends. Try to, increase the number as many as we can. And this is what I'm trying to learn. So coming to the friends, of course, at this place, I think in the morning I was just thinking if one child, they spends the entire schooling, it takes almost 15 years. Starting from UKG and then goes to LKG, grade 1 to grade 12. So I think I keep myself like that. So when I came here, I was not knowing much about the playgroup game. Exactly. So because I always prefer to play also. So I was kind of playgroup kid, and especially in the science and how to express yourself, how to do so many things in a nice proper manner. But I think now I have cross the school. And this is the time for me also to go and spread the good things as many as I can. And this is what I was also requesting Rajiv sir, though of course he will be going from here, but we will always be his student. We will always be working together. And this is the time where we can go exponentially in the different directions. Once in his direction, and there is other opportunities, but we of course we can collaborate together. And the group, especially I was really lucky even those 10 times here what we have been through during few years. So nice to have the friends, and especially like Manish, Anu, Hima, Manish, and then Prasad, and then Mahendra who left, Rakesh, and and all around. Because we never thought while talking to each other. We always kept on talking. We never gave the second thought, okay, we should not talk in front of the people like this. We kept on talking. And we never bothered that who is going to do what. And this is what I think is just not from my side, this is of course from both the sides. Because this is the environment what we had here. And I think this will keep continue in this way. And so again, I cannot finish the entire thing. This is maybe one of the tasks which I cannot complete. Maybe I would like to keep it continue. So I don't want to finish it here. Thank you.
You should thank Shailesh.
Yeah, so this is actually the one point which I wanted to mention. I came here as a kid, right? But now I'm having the kids. My family and everything is again, whatever it came, because Shelly met me here at Degree Set, we spent really good time, even before the marriage, to understand, to know each other.
And their love story was also published in the newspaper with the pictures. How many of you know this one? You didn't know that one? No. बरेली के अखबार में दैनिक जागरण में.
Because they didn't have anyone to spend on the Valentine Day.
So Valentine Day special story था.
So he just asked
You
me
don't see that paper?
to give the picture, and he created entire story.
That's nice.
In our one we had maybe like even Mahendra Tudi, he also got married here.
Yeah. So thank you, and we will look forward to move forward.
Mahendra's love story.
Much more closer
Yes.
way, and exploring new directions and new.
Good.
Thank you, Rajat.
Thank you.
So
Thank you very much. Thanks everybody. Thanks Anup for preparing nice speech, and also this is good picture. So let's अंजय इसको लेके जब Facebook पे इसको भी डालना है, केक वाला डालना है, कुछ अच्छे पिक्चर को करके वो करना है. Very good.
Now let's move for lunch, and
And we
thank
can
you
keep on
all
talking about
for
it.
attending this. Thank you so much.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Now,
This is
hey,
good.
Anjay,
you should say I